Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about AllianceBlock, so make sure to stick around to find out more about the progress of the network after the hack and also some up-and-coming events. Now, also, before we get started, I also just want to mention, make sure to join my Telegram group and also Discord. It's completely free. And also in my Discord and Telegram group, I also just have a bunch of price analysis, on-chain analysis, news to the channel, different things like that, so make sure to check those out. Now, let's get started. So first off, what is AllianceBlock? Well, AllianceBlock is a decentralized blockchain-based platform that aims to bridge traditional finance and also decentralized finance or DeFi ecosystems. And the platform uses a multi-layer system to connect traditional financial institutions, DeFi platforms, and individual investors. So at its core, AllianceBlock is built on Ethereum and leverages smart contracts to facilitate the creation and trading of financial products such as derivatives, bonds, and also structured products. So the AllianceBlock ecosystem was initially served by its native cryptocurrency known as ALBT. However, AllianceBlock was affected by a security exploit in early February of 2023. And this is after the Bonk DAO, a self-sovereign financial services provider, was hit by a loss of $120 million after a hacker exploited its oracle to manipulate the price of AllianceBlock tokens. And after the loss suffered by Bonk DAO, AllianceBlock took swift action to resolve the issue by introducing a new token called NXRA or NXRA. And the creation of NXRA or NXRA token was aimed at mitigating the hack's impact by providing Bonk DAO with a new asset to replace the stolen AllianceBlock tokens. The launch of the AllianceBlock NXRA token distribution portal took over the utility and properties of legacy ALBT. So let's talk about the roadmap implementation. So the AllianceBlock roadmap is focused on 4 critical areas of growth. We have strategic partnerships, product development, awards and achievement, and also business expansion. As of April of 2023, AllianceBlock had made significant progress in implementing the roadmap. And one notable achievement is the successful launch of the AllianceBlock DEX with a continued focus on increasing volume and also liquidity. In addition, the AllianceBlock team released the TIDV in Q3 2022, which has made it easier to offer compliance and expand participation in the ecosystem. Looking ahead, while the team has not provided specific timelines for the implementation of building blocks towards achieving its mandates, the AllianceBlock project continues to make strides towards its goal of bridging traditional finance and also DeFi. Now, let's talk about the key partnerships and also adoption status. So partnerships are a crucial component of AllianceBlock's roadmap to bridge the gap between traditional finance and also crypto. So despite the recent hack that impacted the network, AllianceBlock has continued to form collaborations with key industry players. And also, AllianceBlock strengthened its partnership with the Faculty Group in late April to drive Web3 adoption. The Faculty Group is a collective of blockchain-native firms that offer tailored solutions to support the growth of digital asset companies. Additionally, AllianceBlock teamed up with business information platform Crunchbase to introduce business data to DeFi for the first time. And these partnerships demonstrate a level of trust in AllianceBlock, which is essential for the platform's potential mass adoption and is likely to impact the value of NXRA as well. Now, let's talk about notable on-chain metrics. So the initial hack affecting AllianceBlock has seen ALBT plunge almost 100% in 2023. However, NXRA has shown resilience, recording significant gains in market cap and also price value, which we're going to talk about and show the chart pretty soon. Since the launch, NXRA has surged almost 40% with a market cap topping 59.44 million as of April of 2023. Now, let's talk about the events and activities to look out for following the hack. So AllianceBlock has taken steps to enhance its platform, including several up-and-coming activities. One of the most significant updates is the up-and-coming AllianceBlock bridge upgrade, which will make it even easier for users to bridge ERC20 tokens onto the platform. And with this upgrade, AllianceBlock is poised to provide an even more seamless and intuitive experience for users, further strengthening its position as a leading player in the world of decentralized finance. Now, let's talk about the chart and just take a look at things. So first of all, if we take a look on CoinMarketCap at the previous ALBT, it's currently ranked now at 1,787, and it has a market cap of 300,000. So that's it right now. And currently it has a price of 0.001. So what's actually interesting is after the hack here, there's actually been some volume still. So there are still people, I'm guessing, that think that this is still the token, and they're currently, investing into it and buying into it. And what's also interesting is that the previous total supply was at 1 billion, with 23% of that in the circulating supply. Now let's take a look at NXRA. So we can see here that 77% is in the circulating supply, and this time around it's only 850 million. So compare that to the 1 billion, and also compare just the previous inflation schedule, right? There was supposed to be, close to 80% that were going to be minted and put into supply, whereas now there's only going to be, under, we're talking 23% here that's, still yet to go into supply. And that's a big difference for inflation, right? So that's actually one bullish factor, you could say, is that obviously there's less supply, but then the inflation is also going to be much lower than before. Now, if we're just taking a look at the ranking, it's ranked at 397, and it has a market cap of $49 million. So I would say that's pretty impressive to recover after this hack. I know there's lots of projects that seem to just kind of die out immediately right after they get hacked. But it looks like AllianceBlock has really come back from this. Now, if we're taking a look at the price action, this is a bullish factor for NXRA. We can actually see here that, it's been putting in these higher lows and also higher highs, which is a bullish factor. We can see also from this low back in March 9th, to where the price is currently, it's up 67%. So it's actually up quite a lot. Even from the initial point right here, it's actually up 22%. So that's still really bullish. Again, to see that, we're putting in higher highs, higher lows. Those are bullish factors. Now let's take a look at the price comparison. Let's compare the current market cap and just take a look at some metrics. So we can see here that with ALBT, the previous all-time high was that around, it's looking like $1.22. So that's ALBT with the ALBT market cap taken into account, and that supply, right? Where would NXRA go right now to get, which market cap could we compare it to if it were to go to that price range around $1.20? Where would it have to be? Well, in order to get to around $1, it would have to be that of around the curve down. So it would have to be at around a $727 million market cap. And from there, that would put the potential price to around 99 cents, or an upside of 12x. Now, if it were to go to the previous all-time high at ALBT, and we were comparing it to that would actually put the price and market cap in between that of Axie Infinity and Render. So let's just say Axie Infinity, and that would be at an $895 million market cap. And that would put the potential price to $1.22, or an upside of 15x. So let's move even further, right? Let's just say, what would it have to get to be at $1? Which market cap currently? Well, that would be at around VeChain, and that would be at a $1.6 billion evaluation for the market cap, and that would put the potential price to $2.17, or an upside of 27x. Now, let's just go to the massive hypothetical, and let's just say if it was that in the 10th position at Matic, that would be at a $9.1 billion market cap. That would put the potential price to $12.37, or an upside of 160x. Also, if it was that of, for example, Bitcoin at $552 billion, that would put the potential price to $753, or an upside of 9,815x. So let me know where you guys think AllianceBlock is going to go in the future. I think they've definitely come back from the hack, and it seems like the progress is still going in the right direction. So that's all for this video. Like I said earlier, make sure to join my Telegram group and also Discord group. It's completely free to join, where I just share different analysis on the market. So that's all I have for this one. See you guys in the next one.